Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to share with you how to overwinter your tuberous begonias. Tuberous begonias are typically grown in pots or hanging baskets and make colourful displays all summer long. Many people discard these begonias in winter and buy new tubers to pot up again the following spring. Tubers are readily available in packets in garden centres in spring. However, you should know that it's very easy to overwinter tuberous begonias, and if you do so, you should have larger plants with even more flowers next spring. The first thing to understand about your begonia is that it's a tender perennial. That means it can survive indefinitely in a frost-free environment, but frost will kill it. In temperate climates like mine, from September, the leaves on your tuberous begonia will begin to yellow. This is the trigger to reduce watering. Your tubers need to be lifted before the first frosts, so that means usually October. Cut back the top growth on your begonia to about an inch. Remove your plant from its pot and loosen its soil with your hands. Work the soil off gradually until you find the tuber at the centre of the clump. Remove the tuber and place it on a frost-free surface for a day to dry slightly. You can store begonias over winter in barely moist sand or soil, but personally I find that this takes up too much space. I prefer to pop my begonias in a paper bag and store them like that over winter. They don't need light. Ideally, your begonias should be stored at cooler temperatures, but at a minimum of 45 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 7 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a greenhouse or shed, you can bring them into a cool room in the house. Check your begonias regularly, especially if they're in a paper bag, to ensure that they don't dry out too much. And if they are shriveling, water them slightly. So in spring, pot up your begonias in fresh compost and look forward to another summer of colourful plants. Happy growing!